Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you are all well. This is Boston Gaming here. This video is going to be something different. So I have partnered up with a company called Eztap through a friend of mine who creates content on TikTok. What Eztap is probably a brand new way in passing on your details to potential clients, colleagues, friends. So instead of the old way in giving someone your business card, for example, it arrived in the mail yesterday. Well, it arrived end of last week, but I was able to pick it up from my PO box only yesterday, and it's been sitting on my desk since yesterday because I've not had time to record this video. So let's open this up. I'm excited for this because this is something that I've been wanting for a while. I love how these packages are like really, you think you found the opening, but you haven't. Alrighty, so that is it right there. Let me just open it up. Let's have a look. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is good packaging. I love it. I love this. Small tag, big energy. And it's true. It is totally true. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. So that's it. That is beautiful. And then you've also got this, so you can attach it and then have it on your keyring, which is what I'm gonna do. Because I'll put it next to my I've got a Apple tag on my keys. All right, so I've gone into the incorrect account. I removed this from it, so it should now work. If I I think we got it working. Let me just refresh this. So this is your dashboard, because I've got two businesses. I can switch between My Tech and Media Friend, which is my main business, and then I've also got Boston Gaming. So let's see what this looks like. So that is what it looks like on the phone. So let's see if I switch this to My Tech, do it again. Yep, there we go. It actually works. You can actually have more than, depending on the plan that you're on, I think if you're on Elite, you can have more than one account. So I can just go into my dashboard, switch to whatever profile I need it to be on. As you can see, this is going to be very useful. I'll put the link to the website in the description. But definitely check out DJ Untold over on TikTok. He is part of the group that designed this, and thanks to him advertising this, I wouldn't have got it. That's it from me. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one, whether it's a video or live stream. Have a great day. Barton out. Take care.